Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 20th of March. We're off now to Johannesburg. Usually we catch up with one of our regular contributors, Richard Snow. Rich, good to talk to you. What have you got for us?
Hi, Jeremy. I'm looking ahead next week to the Bank of England rate decision, and that's obviously with the backdrop of what we've been seeing in the global banking sector. The Bank of England next Thursday will be deciding whether or not to hike rates and to what degree, essentially. I think markets are certainly going to be focused on whether or not we get a hike or to what degree they will hike. If we take a look at the chart, I'm looking specifically at the FTSE 100 index, given the sizable weighting of your financials within the index. And in the absence of a return to stability in the global banking sector, I do suspect we may be seeing more downside in the index to come. As mentioned, that Bank of England rate decision, extremely crucial. Bank of England looking at inflation still currently in double digits, looking to get that down to 2% as quickly as possible. And the markets are going to essentially be extremely sensitive to rate hikes going forward, as that is largely seen as exacerbating the problems we're seeing in the banking sector. So definitely one to watch for next week.
Okay, Rich, thanks so much indeed. That's the risk event for the week starting Monday, the 20th of March.